Welcome to Financial Journeys. My name is Daksh Bhosle. I am 8 years old. In this video, we are going to talk about Jubilant FoodWorks and its businesses. So, first question first. What is Jubilant FoodWorks? Jubilant FoodWorks is India's largest food service company. It is the exclusive franchise holder for Domino's Pizza in India, Nepal, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. And it also owns franchises for Dunkin' Donuts and Popeyes in India and some other countries. Dunkin' Donuts is a coffee company and Popeyes is a fast food restaurant, which is famous for its fried chicken. Now the reason why some of us haven't heard about Dunkin' Donuts and Popeyes is that both of them are American and not well established in India. Popeyes is a recent entry and Dunkin' Donuts doesn't have many outlets due to their limited appeal in India. So we are going to focus on Domino's in this video. The remaining information will be given by my brother.
My name is Krishna and I am 17 years old. Domino's opened its first store in 1996 at New Delhi and has been continuously increasing its number of stores and revenue for the past 25 years. Domino's Pizza is one of the most well-known brands in India and is the second largest market for Domino's Pizza in the world after the United States of America. Let's take a look at the factors that I think have been fundamental in the success of Domino's in India. First point, operational efficiency. A Domino's pizza takes about 4 minutes to prepare, then 6 minutes in the oven to bake, and 5 more minutes for cutting and packaging, then 8 minutes for delivery. If you heard closely, that is a total of only about 23 minutes, and the remaining 7 minutes are only there to act as a safety margin. Sounds impressive? Domino's has decreased its delivery time from 30 minutes to 20 minutes at several of its locations. So the above preparation technique is probably already outdated and they have moved on to something even more efficient and quick. The second point is local taste. One of the mistakes that many companies do while entering India is believing that they can change the taste of the Indian consumer. For example, when Kellogg's entered India, it claimed that it will change the breakfast habits of Indians. But they instead ended up adapting to Indian tastes and preferences. But Domino's did this from the very beginning. It has a wide range of pizzas that have been made to satisfy the preferences of the Indian consumer. Like for example, Peppi Paneer, Indi Tandoori Paneer, etc. Moving on, the third point is robust delivery systems. Domino's Pizza has been providing a convenient home delivery system from a time before online food delivery options were available in India. So, in short, if you are looking for a nice meal at home from a trustworthy restaurant, you almost had no other option but to order from Domino's. Customers could call up Domino's restaurants and place their order. Domino's launched its online ordering in 2007. Again, this was before the food delivery platforms Zomato and Swiggy even existed. Domino's has established a hardcore market of customers who are habitual to ordering and getting their pizza delivered within 30 minutes. How can we talk about Domino's without talking about its 30 minutes or free policy? Well, to start with, 30 minutes or free is just an ad campaign in India. You do not get your order for free even if it takes more than an hour. According to the website of Domino's, if your order takes more than 30 minutes, you can get a maximum discount of 300 rupees. That too only if your order is not in the bulk category, which isn't too bad, but for a campaign around which Domino's has established itself and driven its sales, I felt that I had to talk about this in the video. Domino's always focused on home deliveries over dine-in. Why this preference? Why would Domino's care whether you eat the pizza at their restaurant or at home? Well, the reason is that a larger dine-in crowd means a larger restaurant and higher operating costs. But by not promoting a dine-in culture, Domino's has saved up on one of the most dominant fixed expenses that restaurant businesses have. They can expand faster, build more locations, and deliver exponentially more just by increasing their delivery staff. By the way, this is also what turned McDonald's around when they implemented the concept of drive-thrus in their restaurants. The concept of drive-thrus was warmly welcomed by their customers and reduced the pressure from their dine-ins. Domino's currently has a revenue of more than 3,260 crores and has more than 1,300 stores in India. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Journeys. It helps us create more such content.
Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for regular videos on weekends. I am Daksh Bhosle signing off. Bye-bye.